In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add salary in Zoho Books the simple and correct way. If you're managing a small business, paying employees, or just trying to keep your accounting records accurate, recording salaries properly inside Zoho Books is extremely important. The good news is that Zoho Books makes this very easy once you know where to look. Instead of creating complicated entries, you can simply record salaries as an expense, so everything is tracked correctly in your reports and financial statements. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can follow along and do it yourself in just a few minutes. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're inside your Zoho Books dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the main accounting sections, like sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. Since salary payments are recorded as expenses, the section we need is called Purchases. Go ahead and click on Purchases, and then click on Expenses. This page shows you all the expenses that have already been recorded in your business. For example, things like office supplies, subscriptions, travel costs, and employee payments can all be tracked here. Now, to add a new salary entry, look for the button that says New or Plus New near the top of the page. Click that button to create a brand new expense record. Once the expense form opens, the most important field you need to set correctly is the expense account. This determines how the payment is categorized in your accounting reports. Click on the expense account dropdown and look for an account called Salaries and Employee Wages. This is the standard category most businesses use when recording employee salary payments. If you don't see this option in your list, don't worry, you can easily create it. Simply choose the option to add a new account, select Expense as the account type, and name it something like Salaries and Employee Wages. After creating it, select that account so Zoho Books knows this payment is related to employee salary. Next, move to the Amount field and enter the total salary amount that was paid to the employee. This could be a monthly salary, weekly payment, or any payroll amount you want to record. After entering the amount, look for the field called Paid Through. This is where you choose the account that the money was paid from. In most cases, this will be your business bank account, but it could also be a cash account depending on how the salary was paid. Select the correct bank account so Zoho Books can track where the payment came from. You can also add optional details like notes, a description of the payment, or the employee name for better record keeping. Adding these details can make it much easier to review transactions later when you're checking reports or preparing financial statements. Once everything looks correct, simply click the Save button. As soon as you save the entry, the salary payment will be recorded as an expense in Zoho Books and automatically reflected in your accounting reports. And that's it. That's the easiest way to add and record salary in Zoho Books using the expense feature. This method keeps your financial records organized and ensures employee payments are properly tracked inside your accounting system. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.